Hello YouTube, it's Malik Smith here, the founder of Limerick, producer of the leading dropshipping software called Dropship Plus. Be sure to pick that up and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it. Today we're going to be installing a printer on Windows 7. Let's get into it. First you want to go to the press start, then go to the control panel. Not control panel. Devices and printers. As you can see, we have these two printers right here. We're going to add a printer. And when we do this, we're going to be creating a new port. We're going to add a local printer. Then we're going to create a new port instead of using an existing port and use a standard TCP/IP port. And then we're going to click next. Now in the host name, better known as the address box, you're going to enter a IP address, and in this one it's going to be 192.168.15.91. And with this selected, with the query, the printer and automatically selected driver to use selected, we're going to click next. It's detecting the driver model. Okay, and in this one we're going to be selecting the HP OfficeJet 6500 E709N series here. And we're going to accept the defaults. Click next. I'm going to leave that and install the printer. Okay, we're going to share it, and we're going to print a test page. Okay, and now we are finished with that. Now we're going to be opening the printer properties here and selecting printer properties. We're going to head to the ports tab to view the TCP/IP port. Then we're going to select configure port. We're going to be reviewing the port name, protocol, and SNMP status settings. And we're pretty much finished, so we're going to just click OK. Then close it. And that's for installing a printer.